Apple fans, brace yourselves. The next iPad 12th generation might be closer than we think, and the leaks? They're packed with surprising upgrades that'll completely change how we look at budget iPads. A major chip upgrade, more RAM, smarter features, and a price that stays unbeatable. Let's dive into everything we know so far. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the latest Apple leaks, news, and honest tech updates. Today, we're breaking down the upcoming 2026 iPad 12th Gen, what's changing, what's staying the same, and why it could be the smartest iPad purchase yet. The current standard iPad received its last major redesign back in 2022. Sleek, modern, but also quite pricey at launch, starting at $450. Fast forward to mid-2024, and Apple dropped the price to $350, making it far more accessible. However, it still shipped with the A14 chip, solid, but not exactly blazing fast. In early 2025, Apple introduced the 11th Gen iPad, powered by the A16 chip, a significant performance leap. This chip made the device perfect for everyday use, whether you're watching Netflix, doing schoolwork, or scrolling through emails. And during events like Amazon Prime Day, it went as low as $260, an incredible value for what you get. Then came iPadOS 26 in June. Apple finally added full multitasking Windows support to the base iPad. It was a long-requested feature, and it turned even the entry-level iPads into true productivity devices. But there was still one thing missing: Apple Intelligence. Leaks suggest the 12th Gen iPad will come equipped with the A18 chip, the same one expected in the iPhone 16e. While it may be a slightly trimmed-down version, it's still powerful enough to support Apple Intelligence, Apple's new AI-powered features. Even better, the RAM is getting a bump from 6 GB to 8 GB, which means smoother performance, more multitasking, and support for the latest AI tools. All of this, in a budget iPad? That's a huge win. The release is rumored for early 2026, roughly a year after the 11th Gen, and like Apple usually does, it'll likely ship with a chip that's around 18 months old by then, making the A18 the perfect fit. Pricing is expected to stay the same at $350, and minimum storage will remain at 128 GB, which was recently upgraded. Now, don't expect miracles in terms of display. Apple will likely stick with the same chassis and screen, no mini LED, no OLED, and definitely no laminated display. This keeps costs down, and Apple can still offer a solid experience for casual users and students. So, to sum it up, the iPad 12th Gen will deliver a better chip, more RAM, smarter software, and still stay affordable. While the design stays familiar, the brains inside are getting a serious boost. Will you be upgrading in 2026, or are you holding out for something bigger? Let us know in the comments. Make sure you're subscribed for more Apple leaks and reviews. See you in the next one.